Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First of all, open the settings. Then from settings list, select passwords and accounts, and now mark add account. Here select Google, as we want to add Google account. Just verify that it's you, so just provide your fingerprint. And now it's time to enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it is email, so let me just enter it. Tap on next. And now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Now just verify it on your phone. You can also, on another phone on device. You can also do it another way if you want to. So let me just tap yes on my tablet, give it a couple of seconds to confirm. And as you can see, it is already done, so just tap on I agree. And wait till it's finished. Accept, and that's it. You've just added your Google account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.